What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your ASUS TUF Dash 15 PC quiet. So if you have laptop, this gaming laptop, and it's just super noisy, the fan is just going insane, then you want to follow these simple steps to be able to fix it. What you want to do is just click the Windows key on your keyboard and you want to type in Armory and you will find Armor Create and you want to go ahead and open up this application. Now, once you open the application, if you're opening it for the first time, it will take some time to install and it's going to ask you to reboot your PC. Now, what's happening if your computer is super loud? It could be that your operating mode is set to performance. And as this is a gaming computer, if it's set to performance or turbo, the fan is going to overwork. Of course, it gives you the best performance, but it also make the fan super loud. And so if you're not really using your PC for gaming, but you have one of these, or the sound of the computer is just extremely loud and it's annoying you, then you just want to switch this to silent. Trust me, the sound of silent comparing to performance or turbo is like night and day. You're gonna realize by setting it to silent how much calmer and quiet your PC gets. Guys, this is like magic. It's just amazing to hear the difference of how the fans sound comparing to when you have performance. It is the best thing you can do. So go ahead and try this out. This will definitely make your computer sound much more quieter and I'm sure you'll love it once it is in silent mode. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.